Cape Cod is so unique in so many ways. In so many ways, Cape Cod has the same challenges, threats, and opportunities as every other community across the country. We have been fortunate with having a staff to help bring the best practices, latest technologies, and ideas from around the U.S. to our committees and leadership teams. Ryan Castle at the helm has empowered his staff, Marissa Sierra, our COO, and Marsha Sterling, our MLS director, to engage with industry leaders and some of the most important organizations to bring back the ideas and products to our community of volunteers. These volunteers, many have here today, are the ones who spent many hours toiling over the details to bring out the best policies and products that keep us all productive, relevant, and hopefully out of a courtroom. There's still much to do locally, regionally, and nationally. We realtors are under tremendous pressure. We need to continue to look to each other, guided by the code of ethics and leadership team, to be the force of change, the protector of homeownership, and the champion of the consumer. It is critical that we stay in front of our local and state policymakers to make sure real estate values and rights are not stripped away from homeowners. Your role in representing buyers and sellers plays a huge part in many lives. It is not to be taken lightly. You must always be aware and advocate on the best behalf of your clients. This is your primary goal, and it shows in how you operate. You are an integral part of every community that you live in. You volunteer on planning and zoning boards. You raise money for causes that affect many in need. You help stock shelves at food pantries, and you put gifts under the tree for children that, for no fault